the same spot we were yesterday evening. Did not roost anything in here, so kind of going in blind, I guess. Good chance there's a bird in here. I mean, 2 mornings ago, I heard one in here gobbling, so we snuck up to this high point on this ridge, and so we'll be able to hear just all around this property. They like to roost on this ridge here, so he could be close, or he could just be a little further back, so it's still kind of dark, so I'm gonna just stand here and listen for the first gobble.
Did I hit him?
Are you alright? Wait, look. Huh? Where? Wait. Straight up there. Are you okay?
Yeah, I can see it.
Do you see it? He went straight up and landed right there. Oh, yeah, you shoot a little bit too far.
I thought that was a little far.
Dang it.
They was coming this way.
I know, Lane. I mean, that's
It's fine, it's fine.
35 up there. I mean, this gun will do it.
Well, I'm
All right,
moving.
sit down, just sit down. Come back up. Grab.
Oh, there he goes, there he goes. He's right there, he's right there. He just flew down.
Right here. Put his fly down there.
We try to go get him.
We're gonna work around because we're just gonna have to go at them from a different angle. So we'll give them.
I mean, Lane, I think you caught a tree or something. I mean, it blew something up. That stump right over there, I don't know if you got a piece of that.
You can go look.
If you did, you probably would have come right here.
That sucker turned and was headed this way. I thought, oh my gosh.
Yeah, I know. Virgo.
That was so much fun.
Dang it. Lane, I'm sorry.
It's fine.
I told him. I said when you get to that opening. That was way too far. It just, in the moment, I was like, what is it? What is it? What is it?
If Colby wasn't here, I would have shot it when they were way over
Are
there.
you kidding me?
No.
I kept telling him, I'm like,
I really think if you'd kept that putt, they would have slipped right up.
They're still,
yeah.
they're still going crazy.
Yeah. What do you think?
I think it was a ton of fun.
Ton of fun.
Ton of fun.
Just want to talk about real quick. We counted off where the turkey was about 45, 50, you said?
Yeah.
Definitely a little too far for Lane. I mean, just being his first turkey and stuff like that. Just misjudged it, and the confusion and then the opening and stuff like that. And then Lane was shaking real bad. I don't know. I was just kind of on edge myself too. My heart was.
I could hear your heart.
Could you hear my heart?
I was sitting
my
here
heart
and
was
I was
pounding. So I was a little nervous too. So it may have made me act just a little bit antsy. Looking back where we were down there, that bird could definitely see the decoy, and so he was headed that way. I mean, I don't really use a lot of decoys here in the woods, just because it's something else to tote around and stuff like that. But we do know that Lane took a little bit of a tree out, but we know it's a clean miss though, because that turkey supposedly flew right up in the tree.
Yeah.
I didn't see it.
And then he flew back down and
Flew back down and got with his
took
buddy
off.
and gobbled a little bit, and we went after him and nothing. But anyways, we're gonna head back to the house. we're gonna switch my card out and then try to go strike another one up. And we might as well, while we're home, while we're at the house, look at the footage and kind of see what went wrong. But I'll take ownership on that one. I should have let him come in just a little bit more. I guess I just thought he was a little bit closer than what he was, and he would have been at 35 yards right there if he'd come up on the knoll. I should have been just a little bit more patient.
Touch more patient.
Touch more patience.
But we learned. Maybe we'll do better on this next one.
Yeah, maybe so. Maybe I'll do better on this next one. Josh, you're a good cameraman. I'm gonna have to hire you.
Yeah, boy.
Maybe we'll get to see some big deer shot.
That's rude, Lane. Here you go, GoPro boy.
No, I mean, because he's always watching me hunt.
Oh. I know.
How you know? Huh? How you know?
Spider webs.
Oh. You walk in front of me. Turn the camera that way.
I think I got that on camera too.
Great. AFB.
Oh. That's funny. Alright, well, we just got back to the house and tried to go locate some more birds. Did not have any luck. As you guys can probably hear, it's quite windy right now. I think we had a good hunt this morning. Josh and Lane both enjoyed it. Just wish, just done things a little bit differently, you know. Can't go back and do anything about it now. That was your first turkey hunt ever, right?
Yep.
First turkey hunt ever. We got to hear turkeys drum, gobble, spit. Did you hear them spit, did he?
No.
It was fun. So appreciate you coming out, man, and
Thanks
sorry
for
for
taking me.
telling you to shoot just a tad bit too early. Anyways, we'll see you guys later.
Won't you take a little